we're doing in our video, and we're still on the same one, and this looks black, and this is black and white, this is gray. Like I changed the settings to gray.
Did you?
Yeah, so now everything's gray. That might help with the brightening, so it won't have to be annoying. Unless this is a little annoying. It's gray. Yeah, I think the gray didn't help at all. The photo negative isn't going to help at all either. Okay, I want to get to a different world, so I'm just going to pause it until you're done. This is taking a while. Hey guys, we're back, and the screen went black. Okay, here we go. Those buttons look fake.
Yeah, they do.
They look like they're just screws.
Stop here, though.
Here you are.
Lombax Ruins, Planet Festoon.
Play that for everyone.
Not really.
I guess that ends the part 3.
Yep.
You are now entering Festoon. Touching down in 5, 4. Oops, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Just forgot I was taping. Bye.